Hey guys! I have a new fluid art experiment to share with you today. I've been testing out various ways to use clear gel medium in acrylic pouring. Since, like it sounds, clear gel medium dries clear, it can be used for layering colors. In today's swipe, I'm using the gel medium for layering and for my cell activator as well. This invisible paint has many applications in the art world. Let's try to add a couple of more. I started using clear gel medium a lot while working with bloom pours. I use it to thicken up paints when I'm mixing colors. My preference is gloss gel medium. Matte versions are available as well. Just keep in mind that if you use them, your resulting colors will be more muted. I love a good gloss finish, hence my preference here. So gel medium is basically invisible paint. It's acrylic binder. Paint before pigment is added. Gel medium comes in several thicknesses and sheens. Today I'm using Amsterdam Gloss Heavy Gel Medium. The colors I'm using today are the leftovers from the raindrop ring pour I did in the last video. I can leave a link to that in the description if you want to check it out. Here's the list of the colors if you're curious. I wanted to use the indigo and Payne's gray mix as a background for the other colors. Since I wanted to try and float the other colors on the base, I added in the layer of gel medium before adding them. For my cell activator, I took a little bit of the same gel medium mixture that I poured on the canvas and added in 2 drops of Minwax Pre-Stain. Everything is mixed with straight Floetrol for this pour. To swipe, I apply the cell activator to a large palette knife, then pull it back and forth across the colors. I like to change up the depths as I pull, so I'll slightly raise or lower the edge of the knife as I swipe it across. The clear gel medium cell activator seems to create cells with whichever color it is in contact with at that portion of the swipe. So what I mean is, instead of lacing being one solid color, like you would typically get with any color cell activator, it ends up being a variety of different colors. Since the medium dries clear, the lacing ends up being whichever color was at the top of the swipe at that point. Artists have found tons of uses for clear gel medium. Now, I'm experimenting with different ways to use it in fluid art. I really like the results I've been getting with these experiments. This invisible paint has seemingly unlimited uses. Will you be trying out some with your next pour? I'm sure there are a million ways to use this medium that I haven't even thought of. So I would love to hear about your own experiments. I plan on playing with it a bit more to see what else I can do. Okay, I'm going to leave you to the rest of this video. Make sure you don't miss the close-ups at the end. These cells are really amazing. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you next time. Bye!